Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your floors? Well, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2025 designed to make your life easier and your home spotless. From advanced mapping technology to powerful suction and innovative features, these robot vacuums are revolutionizing how we clean. Whether you're a busy professional, a pet owner, or someone who simply wants hands-free cleaning, we've got you covered. Stick around to find the perfect robot vacuum for your needs. All product links are in the description, so don't forget to check them out. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more tech reviews and gadget guides. Number 1 is the Dream X40 Ultra Robotic Vacuum is a standout in the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2025. Combining advanced features with user-friendly convenience, this vacuum takes cleaning automation to new heights. Equipped with an impressive 12,000 pascal suction power, the X40 Ultra handles dirt, dust, and debris with ease, making it suitable for both carpets and hard floors. The removable and liftable mop is a game-changer, allowing simultaneous vacuuming and mopping while avoiding wet patches on carpets. Its mop also reaches 158 degrees Fahrenheit during self-cleaning, ensuring hygiene by eliminating bacteria and odors. The side brush and liftable main brushes deliver thorough edge-to-edge cleaning, even in hard-to-reach spots. Thanks to its intelligent mapping and navigation, the X40 Ultra adapts to your home's layout for optimal cleaning efficiency. Another standout feature is the auto-emptying station, which minimizes maintenance by emptying the vacuum's bin into a sealed bag. The auto-refill system ensures the mop stays damp throughout the session, and the washboard-style mop cleaning means less manual intervention. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just want a spotless home with minimal effort, the Dream X40 Ultra delivers. Its innovative features and powerful performance make it a worthy contender in the best robot vacuums of 2025. For anyone seeking the perfect blend of efficiency and cutting-edge technology, this model is hard to beat. Check it out now to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Number 2 is the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra Robot Vacuum, and Sonic Mop earns its place among the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2025 for its unparalleled cleaning performance and smart features. With a 10,000 pascal suction power, this vacuum delivers unmatched dirt removal, whether it's fine dust or stubborn debris, from carpets, hardwood, and tiles. Its Sonic Mop technology sets it apart, scrubbing floors at high frequencies to remove sticky stains effortlessly. Paired with the corner-to-edge deep cleaning feature, it leaves no nook or cranny untouched. The inclusion of a detergent dispenser adds an extra layer of hygiene, perfect for households with kids or pets. The S8 MaxV Ultra simplifies maintenance with its auto-emptying and auto-refilling dock. After every cleaning session, the vacuum automatically empties its dustbin and refills its water tank for the next run. The hot air self-drying feature ensures the mop dries quickly, preventing unpleasant odors or mildew buildup. One of the standout features is its advanced obstacle avoidance system, which ensures smooth navigation around furniture, toys, and even pet waste. Whether you have a busy household or cluttered spaces, this vacuum adapts seamlessly to your environment. Its sleek black design adds a modern touch to your home while delivering a performance that matches its premium appearance. The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is the perfect solution for anyone looking for a high-tech, low-maintenance cleaning partner. With its powerful suction, intelligent features, and hands-free operation, it's no surprise this model ranks as one of the best robot vacuums of 2025. Don't miss out on transforming your home cleaning game. Number 3 is the Eufy Robot Vacuum G30 stands out as a budget-friendly yet highly capable option among the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2025. With its 2,000 pascal suction power, it offers powerful cleaning performance, easily lifting dirt, dust, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. This makes it an excellent choice for pet owners or households with varying floor types. What truly sets the G30 apart is its dynamic navigation technology, which allows it to clean more efficiently by following a logical path rather than a random one. This feature ensures thorough coverage, leaving your floors spotless in less time. Its slim design enables it to glide under furniture, reaching hidden dirt where other vacuums might fail. The G30 also boasts Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling you to control it via the Eufy Home app. You can schedule cleanings, track its progress, and even monitor cleaning history. Compatibility with voice assistants like Alexa adds convenience, allowing for hands-free operation. For pet owners, the G30's ability to handle pet hair and debris without clogging is a game-changer. Plus, its quiet operation ensures it won't disturb your daily routine or scare your pets. While it doesn't include advanced features like auto-emptying or mopping, the G30 excels at what it's designed to do: deliver reliable, no-fuss cleaning at an affordable price. Its efficiency, ease of use, and powerful suction make it a top contender in the robot vacuum market. If you're looking for a smart, reliable cleaner without breaking the bank, the Eufy Robot Vacuum G30 is a solid pick for 2025. Don't forget to check the product link in the description to bring this cleaning powerhouse home today. Number 4 is the Bissell Spinwave Pet Robot is a standout contender in the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2025, offering a unique 2-in-1 wet mop and dry vacuum functionality tailored for pet owners and busy households. This smart device combines convenience and power, making it an excellent addition to your cleaning arsenal. Equipped with structured navigation, the Spinwave ensures efficient cleaning by mapping your space for precise and methodical coverage. It switches seamlessly between vacuuming and mopping modes, tackling both dry debris and sticky messes. The dual rotating mop pads are designed to scrub away stubborn stains on hard floors, leaving them gleaming, while the vacuum suction effectively handles dirt, pet hair, and crumbs on carpets and hard floors. Wi-Fi connectivity enhances its versatility, allowing users to control the robot via the Bissell app or voice assistants like Alexa. You can schedule cleanings, switch modes, or monitor progress from anywhere. This is particularly helpful for pet owners, as you can target high-traffic areas where fur and messes accumulate. What sets the Spinwave apart is its pet-focused features. The tangle-free brush roll minimizes hair wrapping, while the wet mopping function is safe for sealed floors, ensuring your pet-friendly home remains clean and odor-free. While the Spinwave may not match the suction power of some premium models, its two-in-one capabilities and thoughtful design make it a versatile choice for mixed cleaning needs. It's perfect for pet lovers or those seeking a comprehensive cleaning solution. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the Bissell Spinwave Pet Robot. Check the product link in the description to experience hassle-free, dual-function cleaning in 2025. Number 5 is the Eureka E10S Robot Vacuum. Has solidified its position among the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2025, thanks to its advanced features and dual functionality as a vacuum and mop combo. Designed for modern households, this smart cleaning device tackles dirt, debris, and pet hair on carpets and hard floors with its powerful 4,000 Pascal suction. One standout feature is its bagless self-emptying station with a 45-day capacity, offering weeks of hands-free cleaning. This is a significant advantage for busy users who want to avoid constant maintenance. Paired with LiDAR navigation, the E10S maps your home accurately, ensuring efficient and thorough cleaning without missing a spot. The vacuum's auto-lifting mop is another impressive addition. It detects when transitioning between hard floors and carpets, automatically raising the mop to prevent unwanted wetting of rugs. This makes it perfect for mixed surfaces, ensuring a seamless and intelligent cleaning experience. With app control, you can customize cleaning schedules, select specific areas to clean, and monitor performance in real time. Pet owners will appreciate its ability to handle fur and allergens, making it a reliable partner in keeping your home clean and fresh. While some users may find the price point on the higher side, the Eureka E10S delivers exceptional value by combining high suction power, smart navigation, and advanced self-cleaning features. If you're searching for an all-in-one solution for your cleaning needs, the Eureka E10S Robot Vacuum is an excellent investment. Check the product link in the description to upgrade your cleaning game today.